Good morning. Right, so today is a break from the conventional on my channel. We're going to attempt to build a pallet wood bin store. Mrs. Sofa Warrior has decreed that she's in desperate need of a 3-bin store to convince the neighbours that we don't actually have bins, and that from the roadside it all looks all neat and tidy. So for the last couple of weeks I've been trying to squirrel some wood away. I've acquired a number of pallets basically out of skips. I've been dumpster diving. You'd be surprised what you can get for free, and I've got some very nice wood. So we're now going to walk over to the bin area. I'm going to show you what, as an idea, what we're going to try and achieve, and I'll show you what we've been up to so far. Okay, so the 3 offending bins, and we have this pallet which is basically just deep enough really to be able to do the job, if I'm honest. It's ideal. So what we're going to be doing though is we're going to put some the facility to put some flower pots actually in this part here, that she can take out in winter, plant up in the greenhouse, and then pop back in. So we've got cascading flowers over the front of the bin store. All right. It'll be a cladding along the back. We'll put a back piece up and something on here, obviously made out of pallets. No front, no top, but basically what we're trying to do is corral it all in and make it all look a bit tidier. Part of what I've got to do with these pallets is actually make them good. If you see at the end of this one here, we've got a big chunk of wood missing, so I'm going to have to replace this slat because I'm going to be using, so something's actually going to be coming off of that. So I'm doing a little bit of that. I've worked out which one is the end, and I've actually put a cap on the end of it, and then on the what is the end piece, I've just used another off cut to put a return on, and in a bit in there. So now my good lady's now got a tray which actually fits her 2 flower pots. There will be the backing sheet. I've got 2 of those running along the back, and then we'll clad down the back as well, so at least it looks all nice from down the road. So a trial fitting, 3 bins. Mrs. Sofa Warrior's help was needed here, just to make sure that we got things looking at least square, and obviously using a spirit level. So I'm quite happy with that. I'm now going to commit it to a permanent screw, if you like, for want of a better description. And when I come back, we'll see it all capped off and clad up. So here we are, we're all built, made, nice and solid, bins fit. We have the flower pot assembly on the far side, all the wood fencing at the back panel there, and the crowd to finish this off. Now I've actually gone down the side here with a couple of pieces on both sides to match. The only thing left for me to do is to actually put something a little bit more cladding down the side here to match the front. Mrs. Sofa Warrior has decided that she's going to paint it now a nice shade of iris, which I'm assured is a blue. It's a bit more grey to me. So we'll have a look at that when it's actually been painted. So here we are, we're all painted. Mrs. Sofa Warrior has been very busy, very industrious. So this is made from a few pallets which are all completely different, but we just want to make something that tidied the bins up and perhaps introduce a bit more flora to the area. So we're going to put some vinyl stickers on the front of the bins, make them look like they're covered in ivy or something like that, so that'd be quite nice. But we've got double face on the front on both sides, so they at least both match, and we bought the frame up to the same height all the way round. And on this side got a couple of planters which we hope will cascade flowers over the edge here at some point. Maybe we can even put some planters halfway down, but that's that. And then from the other side, so it's looks like a bit of fencing, and it's all painted up, all looks good. So it's had a coat of cuprinol iris all over it. We'll let that soak in and then give it another coat in a couple of weeks.